This presentation is designed with a two-part interactive learning methodology. First, you'll see the question and all possible answers. Then, we'll walk through a systematic elimination process to arrive at the correct answer. Here's what makes this approach effective for exam preparation. When we reach the question slide, I want you to take your time to read and understand both the question and all the answer options. You will have an additional 30 seconds to make your selection. This is crucial. Do not proceed to the explanation slides until you have made an attempt to answer. Even if you are not sure, select an answer anyway. This active participation simulates the actual exam experience and significantly improves retention. Research shows that when you actively engage with the material by attempting to answer, you remember the content much better than if the answer is simply revealed to you. So embrace the challenge, make your best guess, and let's learn together. The question asks, a company is developing a solution on AWS that uses Amazon Bedrock. Which AWS service can the company use to secure access to Amazon Bedrock? Let me read through the answer options. Option A, Amazon Macie. Option B, Amazon Recognition. Option C, AWS Identity and Access Management or IAM. Option D, AWS Config. Take your time to analyze each option carefully. Remember, you have 30 seconds to make your selection before we proceed to the explanation. Now let's look at the same question with key terms highlighted to help focus your attention. Notice the important concepts: Amazon Bedrock and secure access. This question is testing your understanding of AWS security services and which one is specifically designed to control access to AWS resources like Amazon Bedrock. Let's start our elimination process. Option A suggests Amazon Macie. You can use Macie to discover, classify and protect sensitive data that is stored in Amazon S3. Macie is useful for data security. However, Macie primarily focuses on data at rest. You cannot use Macie to secure the access and operations of Amazon Bedrock, so it is incorrect. Now let's look at option B. Amazon Recognition provides scalable image and video analysis. Amazon Recognition provides features such as object and scene detection, facial analysis, and text detection. Amazon Recognition does not directly address the security concerns of unauthorized access or misuse of Amazon Bedrock, so it is incorrect. Next, let's examine option D. AWS Config provides a detailed view of the configuration of AWS resources within your account. AWS Config illustrates the interconnections and historical configurations of your AWS resources. You can use AWS Config to monitor the change of configurations and relationships over time. You cannot use AWS Config to secure the access and operations of Amazon Bedrock. This brings us to our correct answer, option C. You can use IAM to control access to AWS resources through users, roles, and policies. You can use IAM to control which users or services have access to Amazon Bedrock. You can use IAM to control what actions the user or service can perform. You can use IAM to secure access to Amazon Bedrock. Excellent. The correct answer is option C. This is a fundamental concept for the AWS Certified AI Practitioner exam. IAM is the primary service for controlling access to all AWS resources, including Amazon Bedrock.